Dubai Creek Harbour and the new Festival City entrance and exit into the Dubai Creek Harbour. So this has just opened in the last 5 days. And if you have a look at this video and then try and watch my finger, this is the edge of Dubai Creek Harbour. And if you follow my finger all the way around here, you will see the road leading round here to the Intercontinental Hotel here in Festival City. So with this new access onto Dubai Creek Harbour and off, this new downtown of the future has just very fast become even more valuable than ever before. So if you were looking to invest in this new city of the future, this is only the island that you can see. All of the land behind it, which is the main part of the new downtown Dubai Creek Harbour, isn't even there yet. And in fact, somewhere over there, around where my finger is, will be the new tower, the world's tallest tower. And until it comes, this is your view of Dubai Creek Harbour. And I just wanted to bring it to you from far away so you can see how much progress has been made of this brand new city of the future. And the best thing is the brand new access on and off from Festival City.